Hey guys, welcome back to the Cars Police, and today we are here with a diecast review, the double pack from the LA Speedway collection. These diecasts that we're showing you are Artie and Brian feet clamp. In the back, of course, they show us this annoying Daredevil garage app. So, let's open this up, and enough talking. Let's get to these diecasts. Oh, and right before, these are number 10 out of 11 and 11 out of 11. So here we have Artie and Brian feet clamp. So let's start with Brian. So here we have Brian. He's a white pickup truck with a pair of headsets, serious facial expression, and he's kind of pretty heavy and pretty big diecast. License plate right there. 32-59-2. He's seen in the first movie Cars, in the final race, the tiebreaker race. He's up there in like one of the little booths where some announcers stay in and chill out and announce stuff or give information to Daryl and Bob. But unfortunately, he doesn't talk in the movie. The one who talks is this guy, Artie. Now here's Artie. He is like one of the models from one of the pit crew chiefs. He's actually also like a model of Snot Rod. If you pay attention closely to Snot Rod in the movie. He has a serious facial expression. He's light blue with a plastic headset. His license plate right there, OTU48. And this guy does talk. He's like, wait, what? Oh, yo, Bob, Daryl, the Hudson Hornet's back. that was pretty much my favorite part from these guys, and that's the only time you see him in the movie. Let us give you guys some close-ups of them on the turntable. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And stay tuned for a lot more from Disney Planes, Disney Pixar Cars, and all the related Cars content. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe.